everybody, welcome back to my channel, Texas Decor and More. I'm going to be doing a kitchen clean and a fall decorate with me in this video, and I'm also going to be sharing with you some things that I changed up in my house. I had previously done a video decorating my fall entryway. Well, and if you watch to the end of this video, the way I changed it up, because I really didn't like it. So I think it looks better. Y'all need to leave me a comment in the comments below and tell me if you liked it better the first way or if you like it better at the end of this video. So I'm just going to start cleaning and decorating a few things and sit back and relax, clean with me, or enjoy my video, and I'm going to cue the music now.
I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and love live sex. And Hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes. Whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. Now don't be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly. It's still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake boobies I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nikki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece
So
to the
on the
jeans
back
piece.
wall here,
I
had country blue curtains, and I changed them to the sage. Can y'all see that better? I changed it to the sage so that it would match my wreath that I did. And if y'all haven't seen that video, you can go back and look at that video where I created my fall wreath right there. You can go back and look at that. But that's what that wall is looking like. And I also did add the fall pillow here. I added that, but I didn't show that in the video when I did a fall entryway video the other day. Now, when I did my fall entryway the other night, I took everything down. I did a whole video on the fall entryway, right? And I hated it, and my husband came in and he was like, I was like, what do you think? Because I thought I wasn't happy with it, so I was, gonna get his opinion. And I was like, well, what do you think? And if y'all don't know what video I'm referring to a video that I did last week. You can go back and look at it, because now it looks completely different. So I changed everything. He didn't like it, I didn't like it, and I knew if I didn't like it, I wasn't gonna be happy with it. So the other night I stayed up and I totally transformed the entryway again. I added these two dark pumpkins with contrast to the lighter pumpkin. I added this picture, and this is actually a light. I'll light it up and let y'all see how it looks, because it gives a good ambiance. And then I added this little pumpkin here, and then down here I added this pillow back. I took it out and then I added it back. And then I've got this pumpkin, but I'm not sure this pumpkin's going to stay here either. I probably might move that too. But yeah, this whole entryway has been transformed again. and I'm probably going to be working on doing something with this lantern. I need to put something in the lantern there. So I'm going to add something to that lantern, and then I added this fall rug as well. So stay tuned, because all videos coming up are going to be all fall related. And I'm waiting. This box came in here, and this is going to be going into my bedroom. These are some fall curtains that I got for our bedroom, but I'm waiting on my sheet set to come in, and then we're going to do fall decorate with me probably for my bedroom. So I'm waiting for some sheets, and these are the curtains that are going to be going up. So that's going to be coming up in another video too. I just got to wait to get the rest of my stuff in. And then I also added my little boy and girl scarecrow. I have that, but I don't want to show y'all too much because I want to do a fall home tour, and I want to make sure I give y'all something to see that you haven't seen in the video so far. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching Texas Decor and More, and I'll have another video up for you soon.